Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to make your profile picture private on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now go to your profile. And then tap on your profile picture. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on View Profile Picture. Now tap the three dots from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Edit Privacy. From here you can choose who can see your post. Simply select Only Me. Then tap on Done from the top right corner. That's it. Your profile picture is now private, and you will see a lock icon on the picture. From now on, Facebook won't display your full profile picture to the unknown person, or to those who cannot access it, but it will still appear as a small image on your profile. So in this way, you can make your profile picture private on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.